यहाँ नोट बहुत ही खराब हालत में एंड सो हियर आर ऑल द बाइक्स. हेलो ब्रदर, ब्रदर चला गया मैं. लुक एट दिस. Oh, the spark view of snow! अब ये पगला है. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Good morning guys from Pokhara. So we just got up, had our breakfast, got our bikes ready. So that's what's up. The early riser. Just because of him we are leaving at, what's the time?
Just because of him we would have left early.
No, what's the time?
Because of everybody else we are leaving late.
हाँ ये वो बोलता है लेकिन वो खुद भी लेट किया है. अभी बज रहा है 10:30 और हम लोग अभी भी यहीं पे है. प्लान था कि 9 बजे निकलेंगे और हम लोग उठे हैं 9 बजे. सो गुड.
प्लान था 7 बजे निकलने.
मस्त जोक मारा रे.
वो उसका प्लान था, हम लोग का नहीं था. The vibe is so good that we didn't choose to leave before. All the bikes are ready. I got my bag. I have to pack my bike yet. Anyways, so everyone is jacked up. Everyone is ready.
So, let me show you a quick glimpse of the Pokhara's hostel in bright daylight.
Head down the highway side, cold wind but it feels right. With you I'm heavy breathing, feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night.
Now we are moving out and gonna refuel our bikes because after this I don't think there are many petrol pumps on the way. Chalo, here we go. Har Har Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev. Okay, the roads are not the best here, but the views, they are worth it.
This is Fewa Lake.
Wow, people are rafting there. It's a very beautiful place. Because we'll be coming back to Pokhara and staying here for a day. So I'll show you more parts of Pokhara in the next part. As of now, it's our journey to Happy Retreat, I guess. मेरे को नाम पहले कंफर्म करना चाहिए था. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. And while you wait for the amazing views which are about to come, I would just like to take a moment and request you to please subscribe my page on Instagram, which is Bose_Motocraft. So it's a small business that I own for bike accessories, and as you can see, भाई अपना logo flaunt कर रहा है. मेरा भी ऊपर और नीचे इसका खुद का YouTube का है. Please do like, share, and subscribe to both our channels. Really appreciate it. So over to the roads.
20 minutes later.
So we decided to stop and fuel up our bikes before making the ascent. लगा 1215. यहाँ नोट बहुत ही खराब हालत में. हम लोग के वहाँ पर तो थोड़ा सा पड़ जाए तो दादा ये चल बेटा ये नहीं चलेगा. It is what it is bro. मेरा 1215 मैंने 50 दिया. अच्छा 20 30 है. सॉरी माय बैड. ये नोट समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. It's better to refuel it at cities. I mean towns like these, or you know वो lose तेल कहीं मिल जाते हैं. But I prefer not to refuel with those.
So now, let's leave the city and move towards the mountains.
Head down the highway side, cold wind but it feels right. With you I'm heavy breathing, feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow.
Oh, look at the view, man. Just look at the view. A quick tip for someone who's coming to the hills. तो जब आप लोग जा रहे हो ना डाउन स्लोप पे, जैसे ये अभी चल रहा है, हर बार ब्रेक जब करना पड़ता है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इधर फ्रंट ब्रेक और रियर ब्रेक और कॉम्बिनेशन करके हम लोग दबाते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, ब्रेक तो लग जाता है, दैट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि पहली बात तो बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आप डाउन स्लोप जा रहे हो, मतलब बहुत देर से, तो आप ब्रेक कर करके आपके डिस्क और अंदर के ब्रेक फ्लूइड को गर्म कर दोगे, जिससे आपकी ब्रेकिंग ऑलरेडी थोड़ी सी वीक हो जाएगी. सेकेंड, आपकी ब्रेक पैड्स डिप्लीट होना स्टार्ट कर देगी बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी. So, a quick suggestion, while you're going down slope, try to just put it on engine braking. That's gonna be much more efficient at times. I mean, for braking purpose as well, and also for saving your pad. So yeah, ज्ञान की बात है. This is Dhawa. कुछ खा लेना चाहिए था, but I think we are not gonna stop. It's okay. Let's go. चलो बंधु चलो. When are we going to stop for breakfast? A proper breakfast or lunch? When are we going to stop? I want to enjoy this view. Like, you know, sitting with a cup of tea.
बंटी को लगी है भूख.
So we stopped for a quick photo session. So here are all the bikes. अभी photo session चल रहा है. Talk about off-road patches.
भाई मजा आया.
हेलो ब्रदर, हेलो ब्रदर. चला गया बैद. ओके बात ब्रदर. अगर क्या अभी हम लोग लंच या ब्रंच व्हाटएवर यू कॉल इट कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. आई गॉट टू नो व्हाट उत्सव्स प्लान इज. जब तक बर्फ ना दिख जाए गाड़ी ना रुकेगी. वेलकम टू बांगलू. लुक एट दैट व्यू. वाओ. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो देखना, किसी के वास्ते होते रहे प्यार.
जीना इसी का नाम है.
वाह, बहुत सुंदर है.
Look at this. It's like the cliff has just fallen from there. So the mountains are entirely surrounding this area, and okay, I don't know how to explain this, but wow. Wow. The roads are a bit tough. थोड़े तो ऊपर खाबर है. Okay. As you can see, boulder पत्थर फेंक के फिर मिट्टी दाब के रास्ता बनाया जा रहा है. This is the road. It's okay. We can do it. I feel we all can do it. They are making a road now. हम लोग वहां से आएगा नीचे। अच्छा बन गया रास्ता। Now I know why everyone says Mustang is tougher than Ladakh. Ladakh was at a point very tough. This is much tougher than Ladakh right now. बाइक कम घोड़ा चला रहा हूँ मैं। Oh my God. जेसीबी की खुदाई।
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Okay. No stress. Oh, it's tough, man. Yeah, but these are just small gravels. There's nothing else. This is better. Oh my God, this is much better. Whew. Did I burst a tire? Nope, I'm good. Where the rest?
2,000 years later.
Oh, the first view of snow! I don't know if it's visible. I can see the snow peak mountain. At last, अब हम लोग को खाना मिलेगा.
अबे साले.
No. जोर से बढ़. Okay, finally snow. अब ये पगला गया है. खींचो पे.
12 seconds later.
Just have a look at this. Have a look. ये क्या रास्ता है और ये बस कैसे जा रहा है? कितना टेढ़ा होके जा रहा है? Whoa, what force, man? This is the kind of roads we have to go through. Nice. बहुत दिन को लगेगा कि ये पागल है क्या, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, जानबूझ के खराब रास्ते से ये लोग क्यों ये करते हैं, blah blah blah. It has its own adventure, guys. Own adventure. Not everyone can do it. That's the fun. If everyone could do it, yeah, fine. Not everyone can. Diamonds are valuable because of their rarity. Wow. यूपी के भाई आया यहाँ पर. I just saw a bike from UP. इंडिया से बहुत जन आते हैं यहाँ पर घूमने. And why not? Why won't you come here? Look at these roads. Look at these hills. People here are actually nice. Lodging is not that expensive. अब खाने पे थोड़ा खर्चा होता है. And if you want, you can manage that. हम लोग भी सुबह कप नूडल्स खा के ही निकल गए. So, manageable है boss. Beautiful place to visit, man. Adventurous for sure. हाँ भाई अभी उड़ा के ले जाएगा अपना हिमालयन. As I said. ये पहाड़ काट के ये रास्ता बनाया गया. You see this? Wow. Just look at these roads, man. Wow. It is adventurous for sure. I believe the snow-capped mountains are somewhere around there.
6.5 hours later.
We stopped for brunch. Finally, we stopped for brunch. कुछ खाने को लिए रुक गए. Finally, we stopped for some brunch. Everyone is chilling here. सबका लगेज का थोड़ा सा इशू हो गया था, so इधर उधर थोड़ा सा हो गया था, so we adjusted that. So brunch हो गया. हम लोग ने खाया वाई और मैगी और राड़ा. It's a local kind of a noodle, similar to वाई. बहुत अच्छा था. Try the राड़ा. बहुत मस्त था. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है और ऑपोजिट में ये देखते हम लोग ने अभी ब्रंच किया. So all in all, good brunch. And we're leaving now. How many kilometers away we are from this नाम वापस नाम क्या था? Holiday camp. नाम Holiday camp. कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
About 50 minutes.
Almost there. So we're leaving post brunch. Let's go. Hopefully we'll reach there in the next 45 minutes maybe. So yeah, that's the plan. थोड़ा सा ठंड लग रहा था और ऐसे ही सूरज अभी ढल चुका है. तो ठंड अभी बढ़ने वाली है. So this is just a wind cheater kind of a liner which I have for my jacket. So thus thought of wearing this is gonna help, and actually it's helping. It's a good thing. Waterfall, look at that waterfall. Wow. And look at the off-road, wow! It's all fun and games till we are safe. कर लो ऑफ-रोड इन्होंने तुम ये कर लो पहले हम बैठा आवत है कर लो I wish I could do the same. I could, but I have a tank bag here. Sadly, वो पैर फंस जा रहा है. Just look at the roads. No roads. The good thing about the Bullets are a lot of low and torque, baby. So it doesn't matter how steep the slope is. If it's getting oxygen, if it's getting fuel, इसको कोई नहीं रोक रहा. ये उठेगा. This is actually a chill bike. He's like, I don't like triple D. I want to chill. 80, 90, I'm good. Okay, it's good at that speed, man. It's good at what it does. Doesn't have to be an Usain Bolt of bikes. It's okay to be just you. Royal Enfield, Village, sponsor me for some trips. Please. I will promote. I will keep your items in my shop as well. You see a lot of enduro bikes here. That's a very common thing here. I forgot to mention it earlier. That's a very common thing here to have enduro bikes. Looking at the condition of the road, no wonder they like enduro bikes more. I think Champy has a flat tire, by the way. I didn't mention it. I forgot I was vlogging this. I think he has a flat tire. That might give him the bad news. Champy tire puncture হয়ে গেছে তো দেখলাম তো পেছনের চাকা হাওয়া নেই পাংচার বা কিছু একটা তো হয়েছে Unfortunately one of our friends had a puncture but ठीक है हवा भर दिया है and we asked him just to head straight towards a puncture shop. ये दोनों भाइयों ने अभी हेल्प किया कहाँ पर पंक्चर का दुकान है. थैंक यू. So this is the check post where the pass will be checked. So this is the Annapurna circuit pass required, right? So the Annapurna circuit pass which we made from our hotel, this has to be shown here. Once that's done, we're off to our destination. Let's get back on the bike. Thank you, sir. Change in plan. We are moving towards Marfa directly towards Marfa Palace Hotel. So that's where we are checking in. It's getting a bit chilly. I heard Marfa Palace is gonna be a bit cool. It's 27 kilometers from here. Okay, let's complete off-road. Bike can do it. No issue whatsoever. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight. So we had to make a quick stop to wear our winter liners. It's pretty cold.
A few inches later.
So I've decided to stay in Marfa itself. Guys, look at the entrance point. This is Marfa village. Guys, just look. This is Marfa village.
So अभी हम लोग एंटर कर रहे हैं मार्फा विलेज। ये सिर्फ एक ब्यूटीफुल विलेज नहीं बल्कि इसका एक स्ट्रॉन्ग हिस्टोरिकल इम्पोर्टेंस भी है। पहले के वक्त में मार्फा वाज अ इम्पोर्टेंट स्टॉप सॉल्ट ट्रेड रूट पर जो तिब्बत और लोअर रीजन्स को कनेक्ट करती है। अभी आप लोग देख रहे हो आसपास सिर्फ सफ़ेद घर है। यहाँ के ये स्टोन हाउसेस और ये नैरो स्ट्रीट्स उसी ओल्ड कल्चर की याद दिलाते हैं, जैसे हिस्ट्री अभी भी जिंदा हो यहीं पे।
So we have finally reached the destination for our day, for our night. This is Hotel Marfa Palace. This has a very good parking spot. Multiple bikes are parked here. This is Utsav with his handy little light. Show your face. Just unpacked our bikes. Clean our washroom. We have bedding for 5. We have unloaded our bikes, unpacked everything, wore something fresh, and by the time we came out, entire Marfa village has gone to sleep. We're still searching for food. The entire village feels like it's frozen in time. So, great vibes, man. Let's see, we got something here maybe? Yeah, something. So finally, after searching for a while, we finally found one place where they're still serving food. Thankfully, I'm going to show you this village tomorrow morning. And today what we'll do is, we just have our dinner and go to sleep. I'll show you the village tomorrow when everyone's supposed to be.